Alright, just want to demonstrate how I'm using this asset dump from the Google Drive. Pretty much what you're going to do is extract if you have like the entire thing, extract it to one folder called like models, and then extract the folders. See, here's all the individual zips from the broken down section. Extract all of them to a separate folder by right clicking if you have WinRAR and extract each to a separate folder, and you'll get this. And then just drag and drop like a whole folder into a new Unity project if you want to like demo the stuff that's in there without clogging up your scene with all these files. So this is the props folder, and it imported all of these models. So you can pretty much drag anything in and then click on it to focus it. So that's like a trash can. The clipping's a little messed up, but you get the point. So that's pretty much how to use the asset dump without clogging up your thing. Just start up a new scene and then export it as a package. I can show you guys how to do that another time if I didn't already. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys how to apply textures because most of this stuff comes with textures. So like this is a really big barrel, and this one happens to be textured already. Is there one that isn't textured? Yeah, maybe this one. Yeah, so just delete this plane if you don't want the plane with it, and then focus on the barrel by double clicking it. I always forget to do that. And then click this textures folder, and you see it comes with these maps. Well, this is gonna be like your normal maps, or I mean not normal. It's like albedo. I consider it like the normal, the color, just the RGB color. And then this is a normal map. This is what's considered a normal map. Is this like blue, purple, white stuff? And then these, I don't know what makes it a roughness map. I don't know how it works. I'm not knowledgeable on that, but you can easily Google it, I'm sure. I didn't. But this creates like scratches and depth a little bit on the object. Anyway, to apply that, we're going to extract this material because as you can see right now, it's locked because it's a prefab. And usually when you download something online, it's going to be locked because it's pre-done and already compiled into one prefab. So just click on the object in the assets folder, hit extract materials, and just select the folder because it's this folder. And then click on this and apply this object or this material. And then slide this down, go back to textures, and put this in that albedo. And there's your texture. If you want to add roughness to it, you set it to roughness, and then add your normal map. You're always going to do that, but that just adds a little detail and the reflective bits. Then add your roughness, and there you go. You got that bit of scratch in there. There's a couple dents in there. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks good. And then it's going to create these materials and stuff. And then when you're done with something like this, just drag it into this folder or another folder, and it creates a whole prefab with that material on it already, so you don't have to do that again. And then just go ahead and extract it as a package and export with the dependencies. And I'm pretty sure I showed you guys this already. And you just name it barrel, and then you have this file, and you open that up in a brand new scene, and then it'll import the barrel with the textures on it. So there you go. That's how to texture an object in Unity. If you want to change like the metallic, go ahead and do that. If you want to change like the main color of it, this is how you do that. Emission is like the color that it's going to emit when it shows a shine, a reflection. I can't speak anyway. And then you can turn reflections off completely. You can turn specular highlights, and then it'll just be a super dull object. So yeah, that's how you do that. Easy peasy.